Unlock the power of seamless document workflows by chaining DocuSign with your favorite apps using Zapier. This tutorial will guide you step-by-step on how to automate your business processes, saving you invaluable time and eliminating manual data entry. We'll explore how Zapier acts as the bridge, connecting DocuSign to hundreds of other applications, revolutionizing your document management. First, let's head over to Zapier.com and log in or create an account once you're in. Click the Create Zap button, usually found in the top left corner of your dashboard. This is where we'll build our automated workflow, or Zap. The first part of our Zap is the trigger. This is the event that kicks off the automation in the Trigger app field. Search for and select DocuSign, then choose the trigger event. A great starting point is New Envelope Sent. This means your Zap will activate every time a new document is sent out for signature via DocuSign. Next, you'll need to connect your DocuSign account to Zapier. Click the Sign In to DocuSign button and follow the prompts to grant Zapier access. This securely links your accounts. Once connected, Zapier will try to find a recent DocuSign envelope to use as sample data. This helps verify your connection and ensures you're pulling the correct information. Review the sample data to confirm it's what you expect. Now let's set up the action. This is what happens after the trigger event occurs. Click the plus icon to add your action step for this example. Let's say we want to log completed document details into a Google Sheet, so search for and select Google Sheets. For the action event, choose Create Spreadsheet Row. This will add a new row to your Google Sheet each time a DocuSign envelope is sent. Just like with DocuSign, you'll need to authenticate your Google account. Select the Google Sheet you want to use and the specific worksheet within that sheet where you want the data to be added. This is the crucial mapping step. You'll see columns from your Google Sheet on one side and available data fields from your DocuSign envelope. On the other, map the DocuSign data you want to capture, like the document name, recipient email, or envelope ID, to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. Simply click on a Google Sheet column and select the DocuSign data you want to populate it with. Finally, test your action step to ensure the data is being pulled and mapped correctly. Zapier will attempt to create a new row in your Google Sheet using the sample data. If everything looks good, your Zap is ready to go. Give your Zap a descriptive name, then toggle it on from this moment forward. Every new DocuSign envelope sent will automatically create a new row in your Google Sheet, keeping an organized and up-to-date record. The possibilities are endless. Imagine automatically adding new clients from a DocuSign signing to your CRM, or sending a Slack notification when a contract is finalized. Explore Zapier's library of apps and build powerful connections to automate your unique business needs. Start streamlining your workflows today. Automate your tasks with Zapier and DocuSign.